Hello everybody and welcome to another VideoMediaTV video where we show you how to be successful on social media. Today's topic is how to set up a donate button on Twitch or on YouTube. So before we get into it, remember to subscribe, also the bell icon to never miss a video, and let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, here is my channel, and what we are going to be using is a website called Streamlabs OBS, which will handle everything for our donations, including the money will go payout straight to our PayPal or credit card, wherever you will set up for. So before we do need to log in, you can log in with Twitch or YouTube, or you can use Mixer, Facebook. Don't know what this is, Patreon or PayPal. I recommend you guys to log in with these two. So for me, I'm gonna log in with YouTube here. And you can choose your email, and you can choose also your YouTube channel. I'm gonna choose mine here, and just press allow, and everything should be good to go. And there we go, everything's done. All you need now is to go on your account. As you can see, go on my donations. And here you can find your link where you should send this to your viewers. Put this in the descriptions. So if I just open here, it should say it's not enabled because we haven't done any settings yet. So let's do that right now. So I already did a test video. So that logo there it's my friend's logo. I just made it for him on Discord. So yeah. So first off, you gotta go on settings and basically connect whatever you would like to get paid with. So you can use PayPal, credit cards, UnitPay.ru, I never heard of that, or Skrill. I recommend you guys use PayPal because it's quickly and easy, but you do get, I'm pretty sure, forgot how much they take, but anyway, still, you can use PayPal, just put in your email, it's that simple. Press submit, and of course I don't have a valid email address, and you can earn donations. And when they click on it, they can put their username and their message, and this is how it would look like. So now I'm gonna show you how to incorporate this to your stream. So all you gotta do is go back to streamlabs.com and go to widgets. Now you do need a software for streaming that is that is able to do this stuff. I use OBS. You should be able to do this in a lot of streaming websites, streaming programs. I have no idea how I'm getting 25 FPS, but all you gotta do is go on alert box and make sure donations is checked, and you can check these or uncheck these, whatever you want. So if you go on donations, this is the same thing for all of these. You can change your image that shows up. You can change this to anything you want. I just have this because I actually already made a video on this, but the file got corrupted and I had to do it all again. So as you guys can see here, you can also add or decrease the sound. I'm just gonna do it very low because it's really loud on my computer. Actually, I'm just gonna do it like 20. And you can do the alert duration, how long it's gonna show up. I'm gonna just keep it for like 4 seconds. Make sure to press save settings, and also you guys, you can do the text as well. Donated this, let's say this, or actually thanks for donating amount. Make sure to do the brackets. I forgot what they're called. Name. There you go. And just press save. And now to test them, you don't actually need to wait. So first off, you gotta copy this right here. Go to your OBS or whatever it's called, whatever your program is. You can use Streamlabs OBS, Action, whatever you have. Go on here. Press on browser. Just call this whatever you want. Just call it alert box. and just paste your URL here and place this wherever you want. Just gonna place it in the middle, just gonna make it bigger here so for you guys to see. And if we press test donation, test subscribe, let's just test subscribe here. As you can see, this shows up. And if we just do a test donation, as you can see, thanks for donating $3, John. And of course there's the remissions over there. You can also do text to speech, which I will show you. So all I gotta do is just open text to speech here and enable this, and this is your minimum. So let's say you have to donate $10 to enable text to speech. You can do spam security. I recommend it to do high or medium, because or else all low or none, you're gonna get a lot of text to speech, stuff. Anyway, data volume, which you want it, I'm just gonna do it 30 because it's very loud. And yeah, there we go. And just to test it out again, let's go on test donation. Don't know it. Oh yeah, don't do my mistake. Save. Did I save or not? I don't know. But make sure to save. Pretty sure that's the problem.
This is a test donation for $1.
There you go. And imagine there was their text. And yeah, that's quite simple, guys. You can. This also works for subscribers. Super chats. As you can see, this everything automatically, so you guys don't have to do anything. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If it did, make sure to slap that like button and share with others. Make sure to also comment, and you might be lucky to get a shout out at the start of the video. So subscribe and push the bell icon to never miss a video. And let's try to reach 10 likes for this video. And that's it for me. VideoMediaTV signing out.